Hi bitch, if you see me like this, that can only mean one thing. Exactly. So if you want to look like that, follow me bitch. Okay girl, we're gonna start with the primer. This is the one size one. This is the blurring one. I just started using it and I think it's really nice. Okay, while this is drying, we're gonna do our eyebrows and then we're gonna pass to the eyes, okay? Because this is where the work starts. Okay girlies, we're gonna do the eyebrows. Bitch, I don't think I'm gonna show you how I do them because I have the previous video doing it. So yeah, I'm just using eyeshadow to do it, yeah, just in case you ask. Girl, honestly, a life fucking changer is to use concealer under your eyebrows, okay? Because you see my eyebrows like this, yeah, they look nice, whatever, but if you use concealer you will see now. Wait a damn minute. Toya. Told ya. Okay, this is the eye look I want to create. I want to recreate, basically. I saw it on Pinterest. I don't even know who did this. I think it's this girl, Rafaela Moi. But yeah, bitch, use late. So I want to copy this, okay? It's gonna give what it has to be given, basically. We want like a white canvas, let's say. Start to use a concealer. On this case, I'm gonna be using the NARS one. This is the best one ever, literally. Like, bitch, spend your money on this because it's so good. It's a little bit thick, so I wouldn't recommend you to use this as your actual concealer. Just use it for like imperfections on your face, or if you want to do eyeshadows and you want the color to be, you know, popping out. As a concealer, like as a main thing, is the worst, I'm telling you. It creases down so bad. She's using like a brown eyeshadow, but I don't have a brown one that I really like a cotton brown, basically. So I'm just gonna use this palette, this bronze palette by Made by Mitchell, of course, the one and only. Ginger Biscuit. And then I might use Sepia. I don't know how you pronounce this, okay, but don't forget where I'm from, okay? Sepia or ganache, whatever the fuck. Basically, I'm using this one to unify the color of the eyelid, okay? Right now, we're just like setting, let's say. We're applying setting powder, basically. For this, we're gonna be using this type of brush. And we're gonna use Nutmeg because it's a little bit paler than that one. So we're gonna apply it there. Okay guys, now to blend a little bit the little cut. I don't know if you could see it, but to blend this cut, I'm using Pebble and this type of brush. Just gonna put it there and start to blend. Can you see it, bitch? Oh, it looks so good. Once we have it like this, it's up to you. You can apply a white eyeshadow or you can apply beige tone. It has to be lighter than the tone you have here, like the shadow you have there, because I don't want it to be like a cat crease or anything like that. What do you guys think? I think it looks nice. Let's do the animal print. We're gonna be using the color case Made by Mitchell, this one and the black one. So let's see how it looks. So now that we have it like that, I ended up applying this one instead of that one because it looked a little bit off, okay? I thought it was super basic, so I ended up applying some glitter on it. So I applied this one. This is super cute. It's from Maniac. And yeah, this is the water-based colors I'm gonna be using. This is from Shein, honestly. I want to try how this is gonna work. I don't know, but I want to try it. And it has a lot of colors, so I think it's gonna be nice for the future looks as well, okay? But we're gonna create whatever we're gonna create. Let's focus on now, no? Because girl, calm the fuck down. This is gonna be long as hell, so let me just do my face behind the cameras and then come back. Okay bitch, I just did my face. This might be a little bit too much, okay, but I don't have water right now, so I'm just gonna use this to make this wet. We're gonna use the red one. I don't have a clean brush either, so yeah, we will work with this one. Okay. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, let's do this shit. Okay girl, let's use the best setting spray ever, and this is the glitter one. Some people don't like it, but I do, so yeah, hold your breath, bitch. I'm loving it, bitch. Can you see the sparkle?